Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jelly pudding with fresh milk, easy method. Start by blooming gelatin in cold water, then warm fresh milk with sugar until sugar dissolves. Remove from heat and whisk in the bloomed gelatin and vanilla. Pour the mixture through a fine sieve into molds to remove lumps. Let the puddings cool to room temperature, then refrigerate until fully set and chilled before unmolding and serving. Warm the milk slowly over medium-low heat while stirring to prevent a skin from forming and to keep the milk tasting fresh. Once the milk is warm and the sugar has fully dissolved, remove the pot from heat and immediately whisk in the bloomed gelatin until it melts completely and blends smoothly. Pour the mixture through a sieve into prepared molds to catch any undissolved bits, then cool slightly before chilling for a firm, silky texture. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes and tips. On another note, quick recommendation. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great, because life is too short for a stinky ride and it pairs nicely with snack runs after baking. Check the description for the link and other deals, then relax, enjoy the break, and now let's get back to the video. For a luscious pudding texture, choose full-fat fresh milk and taste as you go, adding a little more sugar or vanilla if needed. If you prefer a firmer jelly, increase gelatin by small amounts. Reduce it for a softer, creamier wobble. You can also replace part of the milk with fruit juice for a flavored variation, keeping gelatin ratios consistent. Always chill long enough for flavors to meld and the texture to stabilize before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.